Look at that. Look at that. I was shocked. Guys, so today on the schedule was the e.l.f. Cookies and Dream palette. This came out a couple years ago, and I realize it's no longer available. So I will recreate a look from this palette using Dollar Tree's On Cloud 9 palette, which is readily available at Dollar Tree right now. So let's begin. So if you're new here, I always put eyeliner on my eye. I use it as like what people do, a credit card type thing or tape, and that just helps me stay from going down here where I shouldn't go. Okay, so the first shade that I am using in the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams is this one right there. It is shade number 3, and I'm just putting that all over the lid, up into the crease, and just up above that as the transition color. Now this one is shiny, and On Cloud 9 is matte. And I'm wiping it off on my microfiber towel to make sure that there's nothing on there. And it's a tried and true method. I know that the brush is clean. So on Cloud 9, I'm going into shade number 1. Looks like shade number 3 for you, but it is shade number 1. And yes, it is matte, but that is okay, because if you don't have the Cookies and Dream palette and you want to recreate this look, this is what you've got. And it's okay. It's the same tones. It's just this is matte, this is shimmer. The second shade I'll be using from Cookies and Dreams is shade number 2. It's the dark brown. And I'm just placing that on the movable lid, up into the crease, and just up here. So I'm creating the V. And this color is going to be a little bit lighter, but that's okay. If you want to deepen it up, just grab a dark brown from your collection and you're good to go. Or you just have this 6 pan, you're golden. You're still going to get this look. So next is the fun color. It is shade number 5 from Cookies and Dreams, and it's right there, I believe. Right there. Yes. It is a shimmery, beautiful blue. Oh, it reminds me of Nebula from Huda Beauty without all of the extra little sparkles and beauty that one has, but it is very similar. Okay, so I'm taking it under the eye, just to the middle of the pupil. This color is stunning, but wait until you see On Cloud 9. It is so close. I was shook. That is beautiful. So taking this shade from On Cloud 9, and I'm really going to put it in there, and I clean my brush. Look at that. Look at that. I was shocked. So because this color is in this palette, I'm going to amp up this color here to make it a little bit more like the shade from the Cookies and Dream palette. And I'm just placing that on top of it to make it a little bit more blue. That is optional if you don't want that. And then I'm taking more of this shade here and putting it over top, just to amp up the color. And there, now they're like twins, not sisters. Beautiful. Same look. I'm taking this shade here, and I'm just going to go under the eye. I'm just fixing. I just like to get colors placed, and then I fix it all. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera how much lighter this color is, but that's okay. For just showing purposes, I'm going to just show you what it looks like before I add another readily available eyeshadow color from Le Mercier from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to deepen up my outer corner. Now, if you have a black, which we all have a black, or a dark brown, you don't need to go and buy this palette. But I suggest you do if you want to follow along for my tutorials, because I am going to be doing side-by-side looks. High-end, drugstore, Avon, all of the eyeshadows that I have that I can recreate using Dollar Tree to save you money and to get you excited because, you know, it's expensive. Okay, I'm all blended and all the things. You know, I was really a little disappointed with this shade in the Cookies and Dream palette. It did not blend as well as the Dollar Tree one. I struggled. So because I want more intensity, I'm adding a shimmery white. This is from Cosmic Color. There's no name. There's not even a number on this one. I wish they would come back out with the white ones, and as soon as they do, I'm grabbing like 5. This is my inner corner highlight, and I'm all here for it. This just brings the look to life. It's not necessary, but for me, this is how I like it. So that is the look for less. I am going to also be putting on my face the Cosmic Colors BB Cream in shade number 4. Love this. Been using it for the past 3 days. I just wanted to show you the texture of this BB cream. I'm not going to put you through the whole experience of me putting it on, but I just want to show you how it's like melted cheese, and that's normal, so don't worry about that. But that's me. So the lipstick I'm wearing today is Lilac Flush from Maybelline. I just thought, I'm panning it anyways, so I'll use it. It'll go good with this eye. My lip liner is MAC's Grape Expectation. Finished look, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful, and you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.